This is one completely bed frame of the assembled. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 holes go up in here. This is the side rail. This is the gas lifting. There have 3 holes need to be assembled. See the holes? It connect at this side. It must be have holes 1, 2, 3 holes connect with this side. So that must be right. This is the first step. It should be right. Connect at both sides. This is the bed frame. 然后30001吗？对吧 ？Okay, this is the gas lifting. How we assemble the gas lifting? First, we need 3 plastic holes in here. So the screws will be connected in these 3 holes. See the holes in here. These 3 holes need to assemble at the side rails. Okay, how to assemble them? I will show you. Let's go to the first one. The holes in here and go this hole. Okay, this is the second. This is the third. Okay, 听吧。对 See, and right now this is the condition on the side rail. And then we go on this is straight. See, the holes must be in one side. Sometimes it will be different side. So if the hose is not right, you can use this to change it. See, it can movable. See, this is one hole, this is another hole, so that is not right. We must make the same direction. See, right now it is the same direction. It can removable. And then we go from here to here. See, that will be right. But right now we can't do that. Right now we can't do for the safety. Right now we don't do that right now. Okay. We can put the bed frame. We can put the bed frame in here first. We put the metal bed frame in here first, and then we can do the straight. That will be for your safety consider. Okay. First, right now we have the bed frame. See, here have 1 hose, 2 holes, and 3 holes. These holes must be go on the side rails. Go on the gas lifting. See, you must be use very straight so you can put down and up, down.